Hello and welcome. This is Martin with My IELTS Tutor. Today is Lesson 2 for General Writing Task 1, the letter. And today we're going to talk about the band descriptors. This is important because you should know what to expect in terms of scoring criteria. So let's begin. Now, the scoring criteria for General Writing Task 1, the band scores are 0 to 9. Now, the criteria are in 4 different criteria. Task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy. And so those are the 4, and they each carry 25% weightage. So now let's take a closer look at a sample topic for a letter. We have here, you're going to another country to study. You would like to do a part-time job while you're studying. So you want to ask a friend who lives there for some help. Write a letter to this friend. In your letter, you should give details of your study plans, explain why you want to get a part-time job, suggest how your friend can help you find a job. And you have 20 minutes to complete the task. You should write at least 150 words. So you have the topic. Basically, the topic is telling you what the letter is, the purpose of the letter, and to whom you're going to write it to. In this case, it's a close friend, and it's about requesting for help finding a part-time job. Now, you notice there are 3 bullet points. These are what you need to include in your letter. And so these are things that you need to talk about. You need to come up with details. You have to use your imagination to a certain extent to provide details for these. And then the last part is your instructions, 20 minutes for the task to complete it. And then you should write at least 150 words. You're expected to write more than 150 words. Now let's talk about the criteria explained. So for task achievement, what this means is you're going to cover all the requirements of the task. This means that you're going to include all the bullet points and give relevant details about them. Then you're going to present a clear purpose with the tone consistent and appropriate. So you're going to match the tone correctly, and you're going to be appropriate with the tone in terms of the purpose as well. You're going to very clearly state what the tone is. In our sample letter, it's going to be something like, I'm writing this letter because I want to ask you to help in finding a part-time job. Something like that. Now, and then your letter is going to be fully developed. It's going to be fully developed, meaning that it's going to include those 3 bullet points, and you're going to give relevant details for those. And then it's going to highlight those bullet points and illustrate them clearly and appropriately. So that is task achievement. Now, coherence, this means you're using cohesion in such a way that does not attract attention, meaning you stay on topic. So you're not straying off topic. So that's what that means. It's also using cohesive devices, which are your connectors, your signal words and phrases. Then skillfully managing paraphrasing. This means you need to paraphrase the topic. And then you logically organize the information and ideas. There's a clear progression throughout your ideas. And this is usually through paragraphing. And then you use a range of cohesive devices appropriately and accurately. And so I just talked about that. Next is lexical resources. This is vocabulary. Here you use a wide range of vocabulary with very natural and sophisticated control. This means that you're able to use a wide range of vocabulary that's accurate for the situation that's used in. You can have a flexible use of words to convey precise meaning. This means that you're able to use words correctly and accurately. You use common and difficult words, not just easy words, but uncommon and difficult words besides common. Then you have you're able to use collocations and idiomatic phrases, which are basically idioms. You use those accurately. And then you have very few errors in terms of spelling or word formation in terms of vocabulary. So that's vocabulary. Next, we have grammatical range and accuracy. So what this means is you use a wide range of grammatical structures, such as sentence formation, punctuation as well. You use those accurately with very few errors. You use a wide range of sentence structures. The majority of your sentences are error-free. And you exhibit good control of grammar and punctuation with accuracy. And if you do have errors, your errors do not take away the meaning of what you're trying to say. So what that means is, despite the error, what you say is very clear. Okay, so that is the final criteria description. So remember, scoring for General Task 1, General Writing Task 1, the band scores are 0 to 9. The criteria are task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy. And they each carry 25%. And that's it for today. I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.